How to fix Apple ID not active? Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now head towards the option of Sign in and Security. Click on the option Change Password. Now type in new password for your account. Once you change your Apple ID password, hit back. Now scroll down, click on the option of Sign out. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, hit back. Scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and open your Settings app. Now at the very top, you'll see the option of Sign in, click on it and type in your Apple ID password and email and log into your account. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is close this, open any of the browser. Now type in support.apple.com and search for it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now click on this option of iPhone. Scroll down. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. You will see the option of My Support. Click on this option of Sign in with your Apple ID. Now you can communicate with Apple team support and discuss about your issue. That way your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Apple ID not active. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.